Hey guys, it's SterlingW. If you're on the fence on getting a sewing machine, whether it's the Singer heavy duty one like this one, the 4432, or the Singer 3000 series regular sewing machines, I would highly suggest getting a heavy duty one because I have both. I have the 3000 series and this 4000 series. The reason why I got this one was because this is for my mom. So her 25-year-old Singer has finally failed and she really can't thread the needles very easily, but it comes with this auto threader, this auto needle threader, which makes life a lot easier and it's fast to thread a needle. And I'll probably go review that a little later. It also has drop-in bobbins, which is cool. She really loves this. This machine is going to be for my mom because it's the heavy-duty one. She has tried the 3000 series Singer that we just bought, and it's more for beginners. This is better, more for a little bit more advanced. And if you're going through heavier fabric, like denim, or even slightly thicker ones like very thin suede and stuff, this thing will go through it pretty quickly. We're sewing some small pockets and also some small bags right now, and it works really well. We've already tried this out, it's been fun. And look at the pattern of this. The thread, the tension of this is really, really good. And she loves it. She absolutely loves it. She's been sewing for the past 30 years or more. Actually, it's probably more than 30 years. But she hand sews and stuff, and she really appreciates this sewing machine. So I'm glad I bought this heavy duty one for her so she could basically use it for another hopefully 20-30 years. Anyways, this is what you get after. This is some of the stuff that we tried sewing some stitches with this just to make some pockets, like I said. And this has been pretty cool. So let's go right into the unboxing, opening it up. The instruction manual is there, but it's very, very skimpy. You're gonna have to download and look some videos online and stuff. But basically it has two manuals and stuff, which is not really manuals, just pieces of paper with warranty. It does come pre-threaded, which is pretty neat. I think there's probably a good reason for that. And it has a bag for this, like a cover for it, as well as a bunch of accessories for it. Let's go ahead and take this thing out. So it's well packaged, of course, and it's really well insulated. So taking off the two sides, you also have like the plastic wrap. But you notice that there's a lot more dials on this heavy duty one than that of like the 3000 series one. You can actually change like the not only the length, but the tension, the pre-tension, and all the dials are up on top, which is really, really cool. And the handles right there, it's pretty sturdy. This is a bit heavier than your 3000 series ones. This 4000 series is a lot more metal with this thing. And like I said before, we tried the 3000. It has problems with sewing through some jeans and stuff, but this one goes through it like butter, which is really good. Anyways, here's the instruction manuals and stuff. It's not much of anything. And in fact, it doesn't say much of anything. This is more like warranty information than anything else. But when you get it, it's just instructions on how I guess plug it in and stuff. But overall, it's pretty simple. There does come with an accessory kit, like extra ball bands, extra feet and stuff. Another good thing we found out about this system is that it has like a button, automatic button thing, and it has other feet and like other brushes and stuff to maintain this thing. It's all good. But it's already pre-threaded already. It has a lower bobbin that's threaded as well as the top one. And I guess that way, you don't have to waste time, starting it up. And also, so you could just basically start, sewing right when you open this thing up and power it on. It's pretty much already preset for everything. There is some plastic wrap to hold everything together for shipping, but you're gonna save some of this paperwork, like that. I guess that piece of sheet of paper is probably what you want to keep, for later, so you can protect your fabric when you're sewing. There's a lot of interesting adjustments to this thing where I didn't see this on the 3000 series. It's definitely here on this one. And my mom absolutely loves this thing. It's simple to use, those big dials, so you can select the pattern you want. And also does like double stitching too, which I thought was pretty cool. She actually loves the micro adjustments and stuff too when she does fine work. So looking in the back, it does have all this stuff, and as you can see, that foot actually pops off. It's a quick release foot, so there's no need to do it. It basically has a quick release on the back, drops the entire foot, so you can replace feet very fast. Very, very cool. Anyways, that's really about it, guys. This is a quick unboxing. This is SterlingW, and I hope this quickie unboxing was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.